Hello everyone, good morning. WHGCM reactor guy with Shu speaking. Now let me share with you our new 100-liter explosion-proof with down-driving Stirrer Hastelloy Reactor. This is the material feeding port, pressure gauge, pressure sensor with rupture disc port. And this is kettle inner temperature measuring port. Also with gas inlet, liquid inlet, vacuum pump and wind port. All these ports reserved with furrowed fitting tubes. This is the kettle inner liquid phase temperature measuring port. This is jacket inlet outlet. This is down mechanical sealing Stirrer. Jacket inlet outlet, discharging port with blind plate covered. Now, let's see this explosion-proof control cabinet, which is compatible with DCS control system. If you have any interest for this kind of down-driving Stirrer Hastelloy reactor, please send us your inquiry. Thank you.